Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we're going to learn step by step on how to build a shopping website or an e-commerce website just like the one you are seeing on screen. Before we start this video, who is this course for? Who can watch this tutorial video? Well, if you're looking to learn how to build an e-commerce website just for fun, this video is yours. If you also want to learn and build your own shopping website and sell your own products, this video is for you. If you're also looking to learn and charge clients to build this same website for them and take up to $500, this video is also for you. So just stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to be walking you step by step, leaving no stone unturned on how to build this amazing website. Right now, I'm going to show you what is on this website and what you can expect to learn from this course. Okay. So the first thing on the website is our navigation. So that is the top panel here, with our logo to the left and with our menus. We have home, shop, contact, about, and our account page. This account page will be for your customers. After they place an order, they will get their account, and that's where they can manage their billing address, their payment info, and a lot of things. From there, we have a hero area showcasing this product, and you can link the product here so that your customers can click on it and purchase it directly from your homepage. After that, we have some text here to the right, and then when we scroll down, we have some features of your website, and that is free shipping or free delivery. You can decide to put anything you want here. The second one is certified. Okay. The third one is huge savings, and the final one is easy returns. Okay, so this will help, or this will help build trust or give your website users trust so they can use your website and always come back for more. Now this website is modern. Okay, it has the modern features a modern website or 21st century website should have, and that is great. Your customers will come back wanting more, and they'll keep on shopping on your website. The next one is our featured or recent products. Okay, so we can display our recent product. If you list a new product, it will be displayed on this part of the web page or home page, and this is the recent products area. And we have a card they can add and purchase this product. Okay, scrolling down, we have featured products, so we can feature our products on our home page just like this. And we have some 3 categories on the home page. The first one happens to be iPhones, Android, and laptops. Well, this video is a generic e-commerce design tutorial, so at the end you should be able to customize it and build your own website. We're going to be using the #1 page builder, Elementor, to build our website. Because of that, you should be able to build your own or customize your own website after going through this training. So this is a generic video training. Now let me take you back. Now let's scroll down. Perfect. Now you can create coupons and give your customers this coupon so that they can use it at checkout. So I'll be showing you how this coupon will be used at checkout, and it will save them a lot of money. Okay, now continue scrolling, and you have on sale products. These products are currently on sale. Okay, and finally you have customers review and a footer area which contains or which has your copyright text designed by your company name, and that is it. Okay, so right now I want to show you your product page. Okay, your products page. So if you click on shop, it will take you to your products page, just like this. So your shop page contains all the products that are currently on your website. Okay, so it contains all the products on your website. Your customers can come and click on shop and then sort your products by their popularity, average ratings, latest, or sort by price, that's low to high. Okay, from the least expensive to the most expensive product, as well as the most expensive product to the lowest. Okay, good. The next thing is we want to see how a single product would look like. Okay, so this is how a single or one product on the website would look like. So on a single product, you have a product image with its category. So you create categories and categorize your products with your product title. Okay, so if it's an iPhone, you put iPhone. Okay, with the price, and right now this product is on sale. Okay, with some short description. They can click here to add this product to cart and then check out. They can increase the quantity of this product. Okay, so let's say they want 2 products, so they can increase it to 2 and then add it to cart. Now below is a long description of your product with reviews, and below displays related products to the product you have on top here. And when you scroll down, you have your footer area. So this footer area cuts across. It doesn't matter the kind of page you are, you will still see this footer area as well as your header. Okay, now let me take you to your customers account page. Okay, so let me show you how their account page would look like. So your customers will have their own dashboard and they'll be able to manage their orders. Now if you have ever purchased a product, or on one of the biggest e-commerce websites out there, something like Jumia, Kiku, or even eBay, AliExpress, then you notice that you have an area like this, orders. This is where you manage all your orders. Okay, now if the product is a downloadable product, then, or a digital product, this is where you find it. So under downloads, and this is where they can manage their address, their billing details, as well as their payment methods. Okay, and not forgetting of the account details or their user profile. And then there's a button here they can click to log out of your system, and that is it, guys. So if you're excited to see this amazing tutorial video, stay tuned, because right now I'm going to be walking you through or around the things you need in order to get started building this amazing website. My name is Nyezinahsolomon, and on this channel I help you build websites for yourself, your clients, or even your brand. If you are new to the channel and you are not subscribed already, you are missing a lot. Do me a favor by subscribing. That way, anytime I release content just like this, you are notified. I will appreciate, and it also gives me the morale, the courage to continue making these tutorial videos. I'll appreciate. Okay, so let me see you there, and we'll get the things we need to get started. Okay, so before you build any kind of website, be it LMS website, that's a learning management system website, a blogging website, a business website, an e-commerce website, it doesn't matter the kind of website you want to build. There are always 2 things you need to get started. One is domain name and the other is web hosting. If you're confused or this is your first time hearing these terms, don't worry, let me explain. So when we talk of a domain name is your website name.com. Okay, now it's going to be that address people are going to be typing in to web browsers to get to your website. Okay, So you have to be creative and come out with your own domain name. Okay, google.com is a domain name, facebook.com is a domain name, youtube.com is a domain name. These are names people registered, and now we have something like facebook.com, youtube.com, google.com. So you have to also be creative and come out with your own business name. Okay, now the second piece to it is web hosting. Now web hosting, let's look at web hosting as a let's see it as a place to store your website files. Your website is always going to be consists of files, images. Okay, now after you get your hosting and upload your website onto your server, then your website will come live. The speed and performance of your website mainly depends on your hosting performance. So make sure you go with a reputable web hosting provider that is good, that performs well, in order to have your website also go live. You can see as I load this website, it doesn't waste time. It comes live within 1 second or 2 seconds, and that is good. Now I've partnered with makigohost.com to give you the best deal ever, which is 50% off if you use 250, which is in the description of this video. That's the hosting provider we're going to be using in order to purchase hosting. Now, because this is your first time ordering web hosting from makigohost.com, you are getting an additional domain name, a free domain name for free. So after you click on the link in the description, that's the first link, it will take you to a page like this. This is makigohost.com. Now you can scroll down, and there's a part I want you to this part, professional hosting plans. Now I want you to click on, you see this shared hosting, I want you to click on other hosting. It's the shared hosting we need to continue this tutorial. So you click on shared hosting, so you click on other hosting. Now this is the shared hosting page, and it starts from $299, okay, per month. Now you scroll down, you can read more about this page. Now this is the part I want to show you. You see, Makigohost has 3 packages: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. Because you are building one website, I would recommend you to go with the Go Basic plan, because this is your first website. You don't need that much space. But if you think you will be building another website maybe tomorrow after building this website, or next week, then you can go with the standard package. But in this part of the video, or today, we're going to be ordering this Go Basic plan. It will give you 20 GB SSD storage. If you're ordering web hosting or purchasing a hosting plan and they do not offer SSD storage but HDD, please do not order hosting from them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So you can go and make a quick Google search, and you type SSD, so SSD versus HDD. Click on images. Perfect. Now this first image, you see this image, you can click on it. Good. Now when we talk of performance, like we are comparing these two storage technologies, so we have SSD to the left and we have HDD to the right. When we talk of performance, SSD is always faster than HDD. Okay, that is it. Now shorter lifespan, SSD, HDD outweighs SSD. When it comes to expensive, HDD is cheaper, SSD is more expensive. Okay, so the important thing is the performance. That's the fast and slow. Okay, so most of the hosting providers now use SSD in order to optimize the speed of your website. Okay, good. So that is it. This is another example here. SSD can absorb shocks more better. Okay, so SSD storage media are always better than HDD. Okay, and that is it, guys. Okay, so we go back. The next one is unlimited bandwidth. A bandwidth is nothing but the number of uploads and downloads that are happening on your website. The next one is unlimited FTP accounts, 10 email accounts. If you're starting your own online business, it is advisable to get your own email account and not Gmail. Something like support@yourwebsitename.com and not your website and not your business at gmail.com. Okay, it doesn't make sense. You have to be serious and come out with your own email address. 10 databases, free domain name, same renewal price. Even after ordering hosting from Makiko Host, if they are to increase their prices, your price is locked. Okay, it will not affect you. You're not affected. 24/7 support, uptime guarantee 99, and that's good. So click on other hosting. Perfect. Now this is where we're going to be entering our website name. What is the name of your website? What do you want people to call your website? So for tutorial purposes, I'll enter something like website name. So website name.com, and I'll click on check. But first you need to choose your TLD. If you don't want .com, you can click here and choose .net. Okay, but in this video we are going to be using .com, and I'll click on check to see if this domain name is still available for us to register. And unfortunately this domain name has been taken and is already in use. We can't have two domain names that are the same or similar on the internet, so you need to be creative and add something to your domain name to make it unique. So for tutorial purposes, I'll add 2022 to it. You don't have to copy me, you have to be creative and come out with your own name, and click on check. Perfect. This time around our domain name is available and it's not in use. No one is using it. We can claim ownership of this domain name. Now scroll down and click on continue. Perfect. Now we're on a config page, and this is a review your package. So you review your package, and when you scroll down you can see choose billing cycle. Now this is where you choose your, is it 12 months, 2 years, or 3 years? Makiko Host offers year-to-year basics, so you choose the 12 months. Okay, now below are some add-ons. Do you want them to integrate Google Analytics for you? Google Analytics is a tool developed by Google to track your website analytics, your website statistics, where your users are from, the number of views you get, number of clicks, number of sales you've made. So they will be able to track this data for you by installing what we call Google Analytics. If you want them to do that, they can do it for you. So you make sure you add it to cart, but if you don't need it, you can forget about it. And this is a one-time payment thing. Now the next thing is Makiko Host can protect your WordPress website from hackers all day long. If this is a WordPress website, you can also choose that. Okay, now the next one is to allow Makiko Host to verify and put your website on Google or Bing or other search engines. Okay, after building this website, the website will not be on Google. You have to upload it manually, list it onto search engines like Google. So if you want them to do that, they can do it for you, and it's also a one-time thing. But for tutorial purposes, I'm not going to add these to cart, so I will untick that and then proceed. So I'll click on continue. Perfect. Now we're on domain configuration page. Now this is where you choose your domain add-ons. First one is DNS management, the second one is ID protection, and the last one is email forwarding. Now if you have the money, please, I will recommend ID protection, because it's going to protect your own data from the internet. It's going to hide your data, reduce the amount of email spam into your inbox. Okay, so that's ID protection for you, and it's $5 every year, so you can choose this. Okay, and it's affordable. But if you don't have the money, we can forget about it and click on continue. Good. Now we're on the review and checkout page. Now this is where I'm going to be giving you the code, because I've partnered with Host to give you 50% off. So make sure you enter 250 and click on validate code. Awesome. Now promotion code accepted. Your order has been updated. Now you're paying $17, almost $18 for a year. Okay, is that not amazing? And next year you'll be paying $48.87 every year. So this every year, and this price is locked. Okay, so even if they increase price, you will not be affected. So you click on checkout. Perfect. Now this is where you enter your personal details. Okay, so you enter your first name, your last name, your email, phone number, your company name, street address, your city, your postcode, your country, and below you enter your password. Take good notice of your password, because this is the password you'll be using to log into your hosting. Below you can click on generate password and then use Host password generator to get a secured password for yourself. Okay, good. So you copy this password somewhere, save, and then click here. Perfect. But remember to paste that password somewhere you can remember, because you will need this password in order to log into your hosting dashboard. Now the next thing you will be doing is to choose your preferred method of payment. Paystack always work best for me, so you can leave that. But if you have Bitcoin, a crypto, and other digital currencies, you can also choose that here. You can also pay with Flutterwave. After that, you accept their terms of service and then click on place order or complete order. So enter my details and then complete order, and I'll see you on the dashboard. Okay, so just bear with me. So after successfully making payment, you will be redirected to your client's area, and this is your hosting dashboard. Now let me give you a walk around. Okay, I want to give you a small tour of your hosting dashboard so you get familiar with where to get what. Okay, so first of all you have services, and the next one is domains, ticket, and invoice. Now with services, when you click on services, okay, in your case you have one service and one domain name. Okay, so you click on services, good. Now this is your package. Okay, in your case you should have something like Go Basic, but I have a standard plan with Host. Okay, so you click on standard, but in your case you click on Go Basic. Okay, Good. Now on this page, this is where you see your usage statistics, and this is your disk usage. So this one will show your the number of megabyte left, okay, for you to actually complete your storage. Okay, so to your left you can see this panel: log into cPanel, log into webmail, change password, upgrade, and request cancellation. So this is where you're going to be working mostly with. So you click on log into cPanel. So you click on log into cPanel. And welcome to cPanel. This is where you're going to be controlling everything, and this is where you're going to be uploading your website files. This is where we're going to be building our website. So the first one is files. You can see file manager, images. This is where you manage all files. The next one is emails. So if you want to create email account, this is where you do that, email forwarders, and a lot more. The next one is billing. The next one is jet backup. This is where you manage, or that's where you manage your backups. Database. This is where you see your databases. Domains. This is where you see your domain names. If you want to add additional domain, you can do that inside your cPanel. Metrics. Security. This is where you also manage your security. Software. If you were to install WordPress, this is where you do that using Software Clause or this app. You can also do that with this left option. Okay, so that's a quick tour on your about your hosting dashboard and cPanel. Okay, now if you want to log out, you can see here, you can click here, and then below you click on logout. Okay, so you can go ahead and play with this, but if you want to access your emails, this is where you do that. So you click on email history, and you'll be able to have access to your email, your recent emails, or your old emails. So that's where you do that. Now on your dashboard, that's on your hosting dashboard, when you scroll down, you see some quick shortcuts. This is where, if you don't want to go to cPanel, you can also manage that at the front end here. Okay, and that is it, guys. Okay, so that's a quick rundown on how to get domain name and web hosting, and a little bit tour about your hosting account and cPanel. Okay, so that is it, guys. So we'll be building our website. Okay, if you are ready, let's get started. Okay, in this part of the video, we're going to install and set up WordPress. If this is your first time hearing something like this, WordPress, don't worry, let me explain. Now, WordPress is a content management system, CMS for short. It's a platform or a software we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. Thanks to WordPress, we can now build websites within hours without hassle. Now, WordPress powers more than 455 million active websites online. And talking about percentage, it powers between 37% to 43% of the entire internet. Okay, so let me take you back to your hosting dashboard, and then we install WordPress. Okay, so on your hosting dashboard, you click on services. Now click on your package. After that, to your left, you can see log into cPanel. Click on it. Now this is your cPanel. Okay, so on top here you can see search tools. Type Software Clause. Okay, so Software Clause, and the first link, click on it. Perfect. Now this is where your scripts are. The first one happens to be WordPress, so click on install. Perfect. Now this is where you set up your installation URL. Okay, which URL or address do you want to install your WordPress on? Please choose your URL or your website address here. Okay, and in this field, in directory, make sure you empty it. Okay, and leave everything as it is. Now scroll down a bit, but here in the protocol, make sure you choose HTTPS. Okay, so click on it and make sure it is HTTPS. If you want, you can also choose HTTPS / www. Okay, you can choose this. You can also choose this, but I will not recommend the HTTP without the S. Okay, so this one. Now your site name, enter your website name here. Okay, for tutorial purposes, I'm going to enter first site, okay, or first website, or my first website. Now the site description, I'll enter this is my first website, but in your case you should enter your site description. Okay, now to your right you can see admin account. This is going to be your login details or your login credential to your WordPress dashboard. So make sure you enter a strong admin username and a strong admin password. From there you have admin email. Now enter an email address you have access to, okay, so that anytime you want to reset your password, the confirmation email will be sent to this particular email. All right, I hope it's clear. Now you scroll down a bit, scroll down, and you see install. Click on install. Okay, and then scroll back to the top and wait for the installation to reach 100%, and this will take somewhere 3 to 4 minutes depending on the speed of your internet. Perfect. Now congratulations, the software was successfully installed. Now the first one happens to be your website URL. Now the second link is your website, your WordPress dashboard, your WordPress admin link. Okay, so you can open these links in new tab. Okay, so you open this link in a new tab and then open this one too in a new tab. Now you go back there and currently this is how your website looks like. It is ugly. Don't worry, we are yet to build it. Okay, now the second link, perfect. Now this is your WordPress dashboard. This is where you're going to be managing your website pages and a lot of things. So in this part of the video, I'm not going to show you how to set up your hosting, your WordPress dashboard the right way, and then where to configure what. All right, so first thing we want to do is, you see here screen option, click on it, and we want to clear our screen. Okay, these things, I don't like it. I want to clear everything so that, so I'll untick, and untick everything. So go ahead and remove that. I don't like seeing these things on my screen. Okay, some of them may be important, but for now I want to make my screen clean so that I can start work. Perfect. Now to your left you can see this black panel with some links or some menus here. Now this is your updates area. So if you have an update, this is where the alert will be displayed. So currently I have one update. Okay, a post. If your website is a blogging site, this is where you create your blog post and do a lot of things. Okay, now media, this is where you see all your files, something like your videos, your audio, your images, and a lot of things here. Now pages, this is where you create your website pages. So we will be talking about that just in a minute, so just bear with me. The next one is comments. Now if your website is a something that people will be commenting on, this way you see all the comments. You can approve comments, disapprove comments, delete comments, ban users from commenting. This way you do that. Now appearance, this is where your website design will rely on. Okay, so up until now I've not explained what a theme is, so let me use this opportunity to explain what a theme does on your WordPress website. So when we talk of a theme is nothing but a software that changes the appearance and look of your website. Now let's say you want to build an e-commerce website. You will need a theme that can perform e-commerce functions. Let's say you want to build a blogging website. You may need a theme that will perform blogging functions. So that is theme. Now the next one is plugin. So with plugins, these are also softwares or piece of script that changes the functions of your website. So let's say you want your website to behave in a certain way. You can install a script or a plugin with those capabilities that will give your website that feature. Now the next thing is users. Now if your website accepts new registration, this is where you see all the users. You can add users manually, and then you can see their profile. Then the next thing is tools. For now, let's forget about that one. Now let's go to settings, and this is where you're going to be setting your website. So for now, you can go to general and click on it. And this is where you can set your site title. Okay, so you can enter your site title here. If you don't like it, your tagline, this is your site description, your website URL, your site address, a lot of things here, your admin email address, you can change it. Now if your website is a membership site or is a site that allows people to register account, please make sure you enable this thing. Okay, and then scroll down, you can see user rule. Default user rule is subscriber. You can leave it. Now you can talk of your site language. You can choose that here. Time zone, your date format, as well as your time format, and not forgetting of the week start on. So you can choose it here, Monday, Sunday, or okay, and then you remember to save the changes here. Perfect. Now the next thing is writings. For now, let's forget about writings. Okay, now the next important thing is reading. So let's click on reading. Good. Now this is where you assign your home page. Okay, so you can create a page and then assign that page as a home page. For now, we don't have something like that. Okay, so don't worry, but first you enable this and then choose your home page here, and after that you save the changes. So that's where you find that. Okay, now the next thing is discussion. If your website is a blogging website and you don't want people to be able to comment on your site, this is where you can control it. Media and permalink. Okay, so with permalink, let's click on permalink because it is very important. Okay, perfect. Now permalink talks about your website links structure. Okay, now look at this. Take a good look at these links. Now the first one happens to be plain. Now if you set this one, your website is going to have some sort of ID attached to it. Now the second one will display your website / the date you created those pages. We don't want that. The next one too is month and name. It will display the month you created those pages. We don't want it. So it's always recommended that you choose post name, as it displays your website address / the name of the page. Okay, so this is the best settings, and then you scroll down and then click on save changes. Okay, perfect. Now permalink structure updated. Good. Now we are good to go. So this way you have successfully configured your home page, I mean your WordPress dashboard. So we are now going to begin installing our required plugins and our theme to build our amazing website. Okay, so guys, bear with me. Let's install our theme. To do so, you hover on appearance and then click on themes. Before we install our theme, we need to delete these default themes. Okay, so just click on it and then click on delete and click on OK. It's always recommended to have one theme active on the website. Okay, so let's add our theme. So click on add new. And then in this search theme area, type Astra. But because Astra is popular, we are lucky to have it just beneath this page. Okay, so click on install. The theme is installed. So what next? We have to activate it. So anytime you install a theme or a plugin, you have to activate it in order for it to take effect. So you click on activate. Perfect. Now on top you can see get started. Okay, so click on get started, and this is a plugin we are installing called starter templates. Okay, so wait for it to install. Perfect. Now starter template is installed. To your left you can see starter templates here. That means it is installed. Okay, and activated automatically for you. Now the next thing we need to do, or the final thing we need to do on this page, is to delete this default theme. Okay, as I said, we are supposed to have only one theme active on the site. So you click on it, and to the lower right corner of your screen you can see delete. Click on it, and then perfect. Now we have one theme active on the site. Now let's go to plugins, and then we go to installed plugins. Good. Now there are some plugins here we need, default plugins we need to delete. Okay, so first let's click here and then uncheck this one. After that, let's click on bulk action and then click on delete. After that, we click on apply and OK. Good. We deleted them because they came with WordPress and we don't need it. We need our own things. Okay, now on top, and you can see this is the starter template we installed. Now on top, click here. We're going to install another plugin, a page builder called Elementor. Okay, so click on popular. Now because Elementor is also popular, you see it's on this page. Okay, we don't need to go searching for it. So click on install now. After installing it, we have to activate it. So click on activate. Perfect. Now we have two plugins active on this side. Now the next thing we are going to do is to create our home page. Okay, our home page and our blog page. All right, so first go to pages and then go to all pages. So click on it. And there are some pages here already created for us. Please, let's delete them. Okay, and then perfect. Now this is a trash. You can go there and restore your deleted pages, but you can also go there to maybe permanently delete them. In this case, we may want to permanently delete them, so you can go there and delete. Now on top, let's add a new page, or you can click here. Now click on top there. And our first page happens to be home. Okay, now let's click here, publish. Okay, so click on publish. Now click on publish and click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's add another page. So this time we're going to add a blog page. Okay, so add new. Now let's enter blog and then click on top here, publish, and click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's exit out of this whole page. So you can click here and then make sure you click here to go outside. Okay, so we are going back. Click again. Perfect. Now our two pages are here. We need to set our home page. Okay, so we go to settings and then go to readings and then click on it. So click on readings. Now this time we want to set our website as a static site, not a blogging website, and because of that we need to click on a static page and then choose our home page as well as our blog page. After that, click on save changes. Perfect. Now our settings have been saved. Now let's go ahead and view our website and see how it is looking currently. So I'll open my website in a new tab. I'll click on it. And you can see this is my website, empty, with our pages here or our menus. Don't worry, we are yet to do a lot of things. Okay, so let's go back to our dashboard, and this time we're going to all pages. Okay, now you can see this page. Okay, that's the home page. Just click on edit. Okay, so click on edit. Perfect. Now on top you can see edit with Elementor. Just click on it. Fantastic. Now proceed to here. You see this symbol? This is starter template. That's what we installed. Okay, so you click on it. Perfect. Now to your left you can see all. Click on all. Now click on free. Good. Now in order to build your website, because we are building our website with our coding, there are some pre-designed templates that we can use and then customize to make it look like ours. And thanks to starter templates in conjunction with Elementor, we can now build our websites without coding. Okay, and these pages are pre-designed and they are ready for us to use. So you can click on this plus to preview it, but already it is nice to me. So this is the one we're going to be using, organic store. So click on it. Now because we are on the home page, let's look on top here, home. We want to import the home template. Okay, so click on it again. Now you can scroll down and see how it is currently looking. You can see, but we will customize it and make it look like our demo website. So on top you can see import template. Click on import template. Perfect. Template imported. You can see on top, imported. Perfect. Now we're going to customize this page. Okay, so go ahead and click on update. Perfect. Hey guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. Well, I'm currently working on another video idea that will teach you step by step on how to build your own drop shipping website. This video is going to be amazing. You wouldn't want to miss it. If you are not subscribed already, I'm afraid you may miss this video. Why not join the community? That way, anytime this video is finally ready and released, you are notified. That's enough. Let's get back to the tutorial. Now on my demo website, let me take you back to that. You can see that I have contact page and about page. So we still need to import these pages before we customize or design our home page. So I'll take you back to our dashboard and then we click on dashboard. Now let's go to pages and then click on add new. And this time we are naming our page contact. Okay, so contact, and then we'll click on top here, publish, and we'll click on publish again. There's yet one more page to go, so we click on add new page. Now this time is about us or about. Okay, so about, and then we'll click on publish here, and then we'll click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's go back to our dashboard, but let's just edit it with Elementor here because we are on that page, and we will definitely edit this our about us page. So you can just click on top here, edit with Elementor, and I would like to duplicate this page. Okay, now with the first one, okay, let's see, with this one I'd like to go back and click on go back again. Now we are back on the dashboard. So we go to all pages. So what I'm trying to do here is I want to open my contact page and my about page on two separate tabs so that I can edit them very fast. So the first one is our about. Now let's edit our contact. So I'll just click here and then open it in a new tab. So this is our contact page. So I'll drag it here. Now let's edit that one too with Elementor. So you click edit with Elementor. So the first one is our about page. Sorry, the first one is our home page. The second one is our about page. And the third one is our contact page. Okay. I hope it's simple to understand. Okay. Very good. Now they're all open like this and like this. Now with our about page, after clicking on it like this, to your right you can see this. Click on it. Once again, let's click on all and then choose free. Okay. Now on top here you can see organic store. Click on it, and because we are on our about page, you can see about. Click on about. So our about us page will be like this. Guess that we need to customize it. We will be customizing this page and add our own text and our own images. Now on top you can see import. Just click on import. Perfect. Now let's update it because we are currently on that page. So let's just update it. Good. Now let's proceed to our contact page and do the same thing. So we go to starter templates, and this time we can already see organic store template here. Okay, so you just click on it. Sorry, let me take you back. Now this one, so you click on it, and then this time we are on our contact page. So you click on this template, and on top you can see import template. So just click on it to import. Perfect. Now we will come back to change our details, remove everything and change it to our own data. Okay, but for now let's click on update. Perfect. Now make sure those three pages are open just like they are on the screen. Okay, just leave them open like that. Now we will go back to our dashboard here. Now this time we want to add a plugin called WooCommerce. Now if you don't know what WooCommerce is at this point, don't worry, I'll explain what WooCommerce is. Now WooCommerce is like we talked of plugins now, and I said plugin is a software, a piece of software that adds extra functionality to your website. Now because we want our website to perform like an e-commerce website, we need to add a plugin called WooCommerce. So you go to add new, and this time you can click on popular. Okay, because WooCommerce is popular, we will see it there, but you can also use this search plugin area, okay, to search for it. Okay, now let's scroll down and see, and as you can see, WooCommerce is already here and it is popular. It has 5 million active installations. Okay, so click on install. After installing, click on activate. Perfect. Now plugin activated successfully, and that is a good thing. Now you can see it here, WooCommerce. All right, so this is where you can see your orders, your customers, your coupons, and a lot of things on the site, on your store. Okay, so for now, what I want us to do is to start adding some products. That way it will help us display them on the homepage, because we're going to start building, customizing our homepage. So to do so, I already have my products on my desktop, so I'm going to upload my product images on the store all at once. That way it will help, it will speed up the process. Okay, so to do so, you can go to media and then go to add new. Okay, so add new. Good. Now I want to upload all my files all at once. Okay, so just click here, select files. Now I'll go to my desktop and then upload all my files. So just stick around. Okay, so click here, and then I think I have it in my YouTube folder, and then inside here, okay, so it's here, images, and then I'll go to product images, open it, and these are my products. I assume these are the products you are selling. Okay, but this is for demo. Yeah, this is for tutorial purposes. So you click on open. I've selected all, so I want to import all of them all at once. Okay, so you click on open, and all of them will be imported on the site, and we will be using these products to display. We will be displaying these products on the homepage. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Okay, and the speed of this hosting provider is very fast, though my internet connection is not good yet. Everything is loading in real time. Okay, so we are done there. Now if you go back to our library, we can see our images or products there. Okay, so let's go back to library. You can see our products here. Okay, you can go ahead and delete these products, but for now let's wait. Okay, when we are done with the site, you cannot delete the unwanted products. Very good. Now let's go to products and then go to add new, but you can create categories. So let's say you are selling iPhones, Android, tablets, laptops. This is where you set your categories. Okay, and then when you are creating your product, so let me just show you, because this is a crash course. If you think this video is too long, please pause it, come back later and watch, because I don't want to leave you wondering like, how did you do this? I want to make sure you understand every single step. It doesn't matter how long this video may take me. I'm going to take my time and do it for you. Okay, so let's go to categories. Okay, and click there. Good. And first we have a category called uncategorized. Okay, now if I take you to my demo website, because I didn't create categories. Okay, so let's scroll down. Because I didn't create categories for my product, you can see they are all under uncategorized. You know, this is not fair. We need to categorize our products. Okay, so we go back to product categories and then we give our category name. So in my case, you know, I'm selling, let me take you down a bit. So I'll create 3 categories. That's iPhones category, Android, and laptops. Okay, so in your case, you should also create your own categories of products. So let's say iPhones. Okay, so iPhones, and you can give it a slack, and the slack can also be the same iPhones, okay, but in small letters, iPhones. And then you can give your category name. You can upload your category image, but for now I don't want to do that, so I'll just add, I'll click here, add category, add new category. And the category was added. You can see iPhones here, but I have some little error here. Okay, you can edit it, so just click on quick edit, and then remove that A, and then I'll click on update. Perfect. Now the next thing is Android. Okay, so Android, is this the right spelling? And then you come back here and put Android like this, and then you scroll to the button and then click add new. Now the final category on my website is laptops. Okay, so laptops, the same way here, so laptops, something like this, sorry, and click on add new category. Perfect. Now we have 3 categories on the site. Now you see this category, you can't delete it. You can see all the categories we can delete, but except for this uncategorized thing, you can only rename it. Okay, so maybe tablets, you can only rename it, but you can't do away with it. Okay, so that one cannot be deleted. It's a default category, okay, and cannot be deleted. You can see that here. Okay, so that is it, guys. So now we're going to add our products and then keep the ball rolling. So on top here you can see add new, so you click on here, add new. Now the first one is your product name. For tutorial purposes, I'm going to give it item 1. Okay, so that's how I name my products. So item 1, so item 1, and below here is your description, which happens to be your long description of the product. Okay, so where do you see the long description? Let me take you to this product, and we'll click on it like this. Now this is your short description, you can see that, and below here is your long description. You see, so that's where your long description is going to display. For tutorial purposes, I'm just going to copy this text, demo text, and I'll go back to our product page and I'll add my long description here. Okay, so to make things simpler for me or easier for me, I'll simply copy my short description first. Okay, like this is what I want to do, and I'll come back to the site and I'll paste it like 3 times here. That way when I come here to the short description area, which happens to be this part of it, then I will simply paste it 1 time. All right, something like this. Okay, this is for tutorial purposes, but in your case you have to enter real description here. All right, now let's scroll back to the top. So the first one is your product name, your long description, and below here is this is where you set your prices. Now the first one is your regular price. How much are you selling that phone? So maybe for tutorial purposes I'll say $200. Okay, but because I entered it, it is there, but you can enter it like this, 200. Sorry, you can enter it like this, 200, any price you want. Now on sale, maybe you are selling it 200. The original price is 200, but right now it is on discount, so for maybe $100, $150. So this is discount on sale, okay? But I don't want this product to be on sale, so I want to leave it like that. Now on top here you can see these are the categories we set up, and this phone is going to be an Android phone. Now we scroll down, you can add tags, and this is where you add maybe Android phone, Samsung phone, itel phone. So this is where you add those things with followed by comma. Now after that, what you need to do is to go to the top and then give your product an image. Okay, so you click here to set a product image, and because I uploaded these images, then it's very easy for me to get select. So I will simply select this one and then click on set product image. Perfect. Now the product image is selected. Good one. Now the next thing we're going to do here is very simple. Assuming it's a virtual product or a downloadable product, this is where you do that, okay? But it is a physical product. Now you can check everything and all is good. Now on top you see publish. Click on publish. Perfect. Our product is live, and you can click here to view your product. So let's just view it for now and see how it is. This will encourage us to continue the tutorial, okay? So we can open the product in a new tab. And just like that, your product is already in action, and people can add your product to cart. They can increase the quantity, and it is already on the Android category, okay? So if someone clicks on this, it will take the user to all this category contain all Android phones, okay? I hope the idea is simple. And because we have installed WooCommerce, we can see these pages created for us automatically. We don't have to create them. WooCommerce will do it for us. So a user will increase the quantity, add this product to cart. Now a user can view the cart, and there are 4 items we added, you can see, and because it's 200, it will be multiplied by 4, okay? So somewhere 800, and then you click here. And this is the cart, and you can see 800. Users can enter coupon code here, and you can see this page is clean. I like it personally. All right, so they can click here, proceed to checkout, and it will take them to a checkout page where they can enter their payment details as well as their address, and then checkout. Now they can reduce the quantity here like this, and then update the change. So update the cart, and it will reflect, and you can see it is back to $200, okay? All right, so let me take you back to what we were doing earlier, okay? So we are adding our products, okay? So let me take you back to the product area, because we are there, and we want to add more products to the website before we can now customize our home page and continue it from there. So on top you can see add new. You can click here to add your second product, or here to add your second product, but in my case I want to click here. This time I'm naming it item 2, and I'll give my product a long description like this. I'll scroll down and give it a name, price. So this time is $500. I'll scroll down and give my short description, a brief description, small one. You can give your product tags, iPhone, okay, iPhone 6, iPhone what, and after that you assign your category, you assign it to iPhones. Okay, now if you want to upload several images for this product, maybe let's say your product has a lot of images, you can upload them here, and that's called your gallery. And on top you can assign your product image, and that product image is going to be the one your customers will see before clicking. Okay, so, and this is iPhone, so I'll click here and then click on set product image. Perfect. Now let's click on publish. Let's add our third product. So after adding the third product, I'll pause the video and then add the rest of the products. Okay, so item 3, description, long description, it doesn't matter. Okay, like this. You can even add videos, links, and other things here. All right, and this time let's see $100. Your short description, paste it here once. Your tag, remember to enter your tag. So let's see, this is an itel phone. Let's see, it's itel followed by a comma. Okay, always add comma to it. Okay, so itel 7, itel A19, itel what, and you follow by a comma. Okay, you can add it. All right, just add, and it is under Android category. And then you set your product image, and we are going to choose our product image, and this time it is this one, or okay, let's say this one, and then we set the product image. And after that we need to click on publish. Perfect, that product is added. Now let me go ahead and import all the products, add all the products, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so just stick around. Okay, so I'm done importing all the demo products, my demo products, onto the website. Okay, so now let's go and click on all products. Now currently these are my products, the products I guess listed. Okay, good. So now let's go back to the home page. Okay, so the home page, you can reload it, and if you can remember, you know, we edited this page with Elementor, and I asked you to leave them as they are. Okay, these 3 pages: home, about, and contact. You can see that here. Now these are your menus. Remember to reload the page. Okay, and then all your menus will be displayed. Now we're going to start building or customizing or designing our home page. Okay, to look similar to my, let me take you to my demo website. Okay, so to look similar to this, you can see. So we are going to customize our website to look like this. Now we'll first of all be working with the home, the navigation area. Okay, you see right now this navigation area is not good. Okay, so we're going to work with our navigation area. So to do so, you have to go back to your dashboard. Okay, and then once you are there, make sure you go to appearance. Okay, so you go to appearance, and then you can click on customize. Okay, so click on customize. Let's wait for it. Perfect. Now it is completely loaded. Now we need to click on header builder. Okay, so click on header builder. Good. Now below you can see transparent header. Okay, click on transparent header. Perfect. Now enable on complete website. Click on it. Okay, enable it. Perfect. Now we have enabled our transparent header. The next thing is we have to click on design. Okay, so click on design. Perfect. Now the next thing is background overlay. So we need to change our background to something like our demo website. Okay, to something like this. Okay, so let's go back there. Sorry, we're here, customize. Good. Now we will change our overlay to, so we'll click on it and then change our overlay color to something like this. Perfect. Now the next thing is we'll scroll down a bit, scroll down, so you can see site title. This is site title. Okay, please, I want to change the color. Okay, so you click on it and then I'll give it white. Perfect. Now you can upload your own logo, but I want to use my site name or my site title as my my logo. Okay, so the next thing is our menus colors. Okay, so right now you can't see the menus, so you need to change your links colors. So you click here and then give it pure white. Perfect. Now you can scroll down and check more about. So the next thing is our sub menus. Okay, so we will create a sub menu very soon. Okay, so just stick around. Now the sub menu, click on it and then choose white. After that, click on background. Okay, click on background and then choose blue. Perfect. Now I can go ahead and play with other colors of the website, but for now let's click on publish. Perfect. Now let's scroll back to the top and then click on here to go back. Good. Now let's click on the site title and logo. Good. Now this is where you upload your own logo. So if you want to upload your own logo or want to have your own logo, so you can go and design your own logo and then upload it. It will replace this area. But I don't need a logo. I want to use my site name as my logo. So I'll give it something like Solo Store. So Solo Store. So something like this. So this is going to be my site name. Perfect. Now I can increase the logo width here. Now the next one is our site icon. The site icon is the icon you always see here. You can upload it there. Okay, click on publish. Perfect. But the color is, you can see that it has gone back. So you click on that design thing and then click on here and choose white. Perfect. Now below you can see your title font size. You can increase it a bit bigger, smaller, the way you want it, but I want it to be at 40 pixels. Okay, and after that you can click on publish again. Perfect. Now let's scroll back to the top and click on here to go back. Good. Now you can see primary menus. This is where you manipulate with your menus if you want to. So in case you want to work with your menus, you click on the primary menu. Perfect. Now you can configure your menus here, right? Amazing. Good. So this is where you assign your menus if you want to, but I don't want to do it here, so I will take you back to the dashboard and I'll show you how to arrange your menus the easiest or the best way. Okay, so you can click here to go back. Good. Now you can click here to close everything, but for now we don't have to, so we'll go back to the site itself, I mean the dashboard, and you can reload the page. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to appearance, and then we go to menus, click on it. Perfect. Now we have to give our menu a name, so we can call it main menu, menu 1, menu 2, or okay, so maybe primary menu. Okay, so you can name it primary menu. You can put hyphen here, so primary menu, and then click on primary. Okay, and after that you click on create menu. Fantastic. Okay, so now the next thing is you click on view all. Good. Now select all your pages. Okay, so you select your pages. Just select all your pages like this. You can also click here to select all the pages. Good. Now you click here, add to menu. Perfect. Now this is where you arrange your menus. So now let me take you back to the demo website. Now on the demo website we have home, shop, contact, and about. So let's go back there. So home, shop, so it's home, so this one will come here, shop, contact, about. Now let's check again, and we have account, my account. Okay, so you have my account right beneath the about. So under the account we have cart, but it's a drop down, so we have cart and then what, checkout. Okay, so like this. Perfect. Now we can leave our block to be at the last part. Okay, my demo website, I didn't create a block page, but now I'm creating a block page. Okay, so that is a bonus for you. So now you click on the save menu. Perfect. Now the menu is saved. Then we can view the website to see how it is looking currently. So we open it in a new tab, and then we click here, and you can see this is how the navigation area is looking currently, and it is good. I love it. All right, so you can see that, you can see everything is coming together. Good. So we're done with the navigation area. The next thing is to work with the hero area. Okay, so let's go back to our edit page. Okay, and then you can reload the page. Okay, so reload it. Perfect. The page is reloaded, and our navigation area is gone because it cannot be displayed here. Okay, so let's work with our main page. Okay, so now what do we have to do here? Let's go back and take inspiration from our main website. Okay, so I can drag this area, I can just drag it all the way here so that going back and forth will be somehow easy. All right, so now let's concentrate on the hero area of the website. Okay, so let me take you back to my demo website. Now to your left you can see this image, this product image. Okay, so we need to upload our product image. Okay, to the left. Now to do so, you simply click on this pencil, and to your left you can see choose image. Click on it, and here is my image. Go ahead and choose your own image. Okay, your own product image. Now click on insert. Perfect. Now it will replace the other image. Now the next thing is we want to delete this, their logo. Okay, so we delete it, and then we change this, the color of this. So we just click on it and then go to style, click on text color, and then we change it to darker, something like this. We change our text, the color of our text. So we click there and then click on content. Now click on the color. So that's the title. Okay, so you click on the color like this, and this time we're taking a darker blue. Okay, perfect. Now you can see it's looking similar to this. Now let's type best online shopping mall. Okay, so I'll take you back and then click on it, or you can click on content. Now to your left you can see this text. Enter your own text. So best shopping or best online shopping mall. Okay, so let's put online there. Online shopping mall. Perfect. Now let's change description, so the color. Okay, so now you click on style, then scroll down, you can see content, click on it, and then scroll down, you see description, click on it, and this time we want to choose a color that is somehow darker. Okay, okay, so something like that. Remember to change this demo data. Okay, the text here, remember to change it to your own content. Okay, after that you can scroll back here, this content, and this is where you can edit it. You can see that. Perfect. Now the final thing on the hero area is our menu. So you click here, okay, and then you can change shop now to buy now. Okay, you can change it if you want to, so you simply remove it and change. Then you can link it to your product. Now let me take you to let me show you how to link your product. Okay, so let's go back to your website. Okay, so this is the website. Right now you click on shop, because this is where all your products live. Okay, so click on store. Now let's search for that product because we want to link it. Unfortunately I did not upload that product. Okay, so but let's assume this is the product. Okay, so you simply right click on it, so you can right click on it, click on copy link address. Perfect. Now let me take you back to our editing page. Now we want to link it, so let's assume that is the product we have here. Okay, so let's assume this is the same product as the one on the screen. So you copy that link and then you come here and then make sure you paste it here. Perfect. Now let's update the change. Good. Now let me take you back to the website. Now let's reload this website. Okay, so we reload it. Perfect. Now let's go to the home page. Okay, so you click on home. Good. So now anytime I click, or a customer clicks on shop now, is this product that they will land on. Okay, so let's click on shop now. Perfect. And as you can see, this is the product. So we still need to do a lot of work here, because you see the product is pushed to the top here. Okay, so this is the product page, so we need to do some work. All right, now I'll be showing you how to do it. Okay, so on top here you can see customize. Okay, so let's just edit our product page. So you see customize, click on customize. Perfect. Now let's click on WooCommerce. Okay, so click on WooCommerce. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so let's scroll down. First, the page was not properly loaded, so you search for WooCommerce. Okay, and it is in here, is it? Okay, so click on WooCommerce. Good. On top here, click on general. Okay, now this time I want you to choose this one. Okay, click on that one, and then on top click on publish. So you click on publish. Perfect. Now you can see the product is pushed down a little bit. Okay, so we need this one. It's called content box. Okay, good. Now we're all set. Okay, so now let's go back to the hero area where we're editing the home page. Good. Now we have linked the product to the actual product. Okay, the next thing is to change the button color, the color of the button. So you click on style. So you click on style, and then below here you can see this color. Click on it, and we want to change our color to something like this. Okay, perfect. So we want this one, this color. Now we are good to go. The next thing is this area of the site. So you click here, and you can also click on this pencil to change the text. So let's say you want to change this text. You click on the pencil, and then you can change free shipping to free delivery. Okay, and whatever you want to put here, you can put it there, but I don't want to change that. I only want to change this text. Okay, so I'll click here, and I'll remove the organic. I'll remove organic. Good. Now I'll click on this part. Perfect. Now let's click on style. Good. Now let's click on color. You can see color here, so click on color because that's the background color, background on top here. So click on color, and then let's go back to the demo website and see the color we used there. So it's like a blue. Okay, so let me take you back there. Perfect. Now we'll choose something like that. So something like this, but a little bit darker. Perfect. Now the next thing is this overlay, the overlay you are seeing, which is it black or yeah, somehow gray. So we need to change it to something like this. Okay, so I'll take you back there, and then this time we will click on this, and then click on style. Good. Now we need to remove a background overlay because it is a background overlay. We don't need that. We want to remove it, so click on background overlay. Perfect. Now click on this color and then click on clear. Okay, perfect. Now we have cleared it. On top you can see background. Go back there. Perfect. Now click on color. Fantastic. Now you click on choose your color. Now we will choose our own colors. Good. Now let's copy this color code because we want our website to have a consistent color throughout. Okay, so we copy it and then we'll paste it. Okay, so you click here and then click on style again, just like we did for the first one. Now overlay, click here, clear the overlay. After that, go back to background and then click on color and paste that color you copied here. So we do the same thing for the rest. So you click there, here, style, and after that you go to overlay, clear it, and then you go back to the top, color, you paste it, and finally you click here, style, perfect. Give me some time. Good. Now after that, click on background overlay. Now click on the color and then clear it here, clear, perfect. Now on top you go back there, click on background, good. Now you click on color here and then you paste that color there. Good. Now we are set and we are ready to rock. Now if you take a critical look, you can see that there is some overlay, an image overlay here. So we want to clear that. Okay, we want to remove it. So come back to the top, click here, after that go to style, scroll down, you can see background overlay, click on it, perfect. You can see it here, click on this trash, we need to delete it, perfect, and it is gone. Okay, now next up is our best selling products, but first let's go back to the website and see what is there. So the next one is recent products. Okay, so you go back to our home page like this, and then we click on this text and enter recent products. So we clear here and then enter recent products. After that, you can see this flower thing, click on it and then make sure you delete it here. Okay, so delete, perfect. Now you can see this area and there's a pencil here, click on it. You can click on the area itself or this pencil, so click on it, perfect. So we need to paste some code. Okay, this code is from WooCommerce. After we paste this code, it will start listing the recently added products to this part of the website. So that code, I'll give you that code. Okay, so make sure you clear this. So you clear it. Now let me take you to the code. Okay, so I'll take you to desktop. Perfect. Now you can see shortcodes here. Good. So these are the shortcodes. Okay, so the first one is recent products. Okay, so I'll copy this code, I'll copy it, and I'll go back to our editing zone, and then I'll paste it here. So after pasting it here, it means Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. Perfect. So after pasting this code, it means recent products will be listed here, and per page there will be 4 products, okay, and there will be 4 columns, okay. So this is how it's going to be displayed, okay, and you can see already it's taking action, it's already happening, okay. So now you can see 1 product, the 2nd product, the 3rd product, and the 4th product. There are 4, and they're going to be 4. Now if you want them to be 8, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, and below you can also have 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me go ahead and remove this 4. Let me remove this 8, okay, because per page. So let's remove this 4 and put 8 there, and put 8, and you can see when I take a you can now see that there are 8 products on the page, but I want my website to have 4 products on the page, so 4 like this, and the other 4 will be removed. Perfect. Now let's scroll down a bit, and then the next thing we need to do is to add our, so let me take you there and we'll see what is next. So after recent products, we have featured products. So we will simply duplicate that section. So we duplicate it. So this is the part we want to duplicate. So you click here. Perfect. Now you right click, and then you can click on duplicate. Okay, so duplicate. Duplicate. Now let's see if it worked. So recent products here and recent products here. You see that? So there are now 2 recent products. We need only 1. Okay, so the second one, we have to change the text. So from recent products to, what do we have here? We have featured products. Okay, so we go back to the site and then enter this one, featured. So you click here and delete it and enter featured. So featured products, and after that let me zoom out. Okay, so perfect. Now I've zoomed out. Good. So to your left, your right, you can see this pencil. Click on it. Good. So we want to change this recent to what? Featured. So you can put featured here. After putting featured in front, it will change. But if you're not sure, we can go back to our, so let me take you there, and then we go back to our shortcuts, and then we copy our featured thing. That's the code. So we copy it, go back to this part of the page, and then we paste it there and wait, and it will start displaying the featured products on the site. Now currently we don't have featured products, okay, so I'll show you how to create featured products, but for now let's continue, and after that I'll show you how you can create the featured products. Okay, so everything here is working fine, just that we don't have featured products on the back end. Okay, now let's delete this image. Okay, so to do so, hover on it, and to your right you can see this pencil. Left click on it. Okay, and then below you can see delete. Click on delete. Good. Now scroll down and you're left with this area. Okay, so we want to change the text, so you simply click on this pencil. To your left you can see content. Click on it. Now let's change our text from farm fresh fruits to something like iPhones. So maybe iPhones. Change your description. After that, click on top here, scroll down, click on content, click on color, and then give it a color. Okay, so I want to give it this orange color. After that, you see your background, your description. Click on description, and then your description will have, let me take you there, and we'll see your description will have a white color. But before that, we need to give it some background. Okay, so let's give it a background. To do so, you have to go back to advanced, scroll down, you can see background, click on background, and this time we want to give it a background color of black. So give it black, just like this. Now let's go back to style, scroll down, go to content, and this time our description will now have a white color, text color. Okay, like this. Perfect. Now let's work with our logo here, because we are working with this card. So click on the shop now button, and then you can change it. You can link it to a product, any product of your choice. Okay, now click on style, and our background color will be something like this. Perfect. Now the next thing is to upload our image. So this image, we need to change it. To do so, go to background. Okay, so just click on this column thing. After that, you go to overlay. Okay, where you see overlay, make sure you go there. So you see overlay, click on overlay, and this is the image. Click on choose image, and we will give it an image, and because it is iPhone, let's choose this one and click on insert. Perfect. Now we are done with that first category, but make sure you link it to iPhone's category. Okay, now how do you link it to iPhone's category? Go back to your main site. Okay, so you go back to your main site, reload the page, because this page was here ideal for some time. Okay, so we need to reload it, and we go to products, wait for it to fully load. Perfect. So you go to products. Now after you hover on products, you can see categories. So products, categories, click on it. If you can remember, during the beginning of the tutorial, we created our own categories. So I'm taking you there. Now once you're here, you see view, just right click on it and click on copy link. Perfect. Now let's go back to Elementor, and then click on the button. Okay, because we want people to click on this button. Okay, when they click on this button, it should take them to that category, iPhone's category. Okay, so that's what we are doing right now. Okay, don't be confused. Now link, and you paste your category link here. So anytime they click on it, it will take them to that category. I hope it's clear. Now we are finally done with that one. Now let's go to the next one. So you click on it, click on content. This time we're changing it to Android. Okay, so Android, we can add phone to it, Android phone. And after that, on top here, click on style, scroll down, click on content, So click on content. After clicking on content, click on color. And this time we want to give it a color. Sorry, we have copied the link, so we have to reset it. So we click on, pick our color, choose a darker one. Perfect. Now let me copy this color, okay, because we want a consistent, we want to have consistent colors on the website. Good. Now the next thing is our description color, which is pure white. So drag it to the top, and right now you can't see it simply because it is white. Now you need to give it a background, so go to advanced, scroll down, and you can see background. Perfect. Now with the background, give it a color of what? Black. Good. Now so my text is somehow okay, so I want it this way. You have to be creative and make your page look attractive. Now click on this button, or click on the pencil. Now we want it to link, or yeah, to our Android category. So we go back to our products category and then click copy Android. Okay, so this is the category page. And then we bring it here and then paste it here. So anytime a user clicks here, it takes the user directly to Android category. After that, our button color, so we go to style. Now let's click on color, and then we choose our color. Let's make it darker, just like the first one. Perfect. Now it's like with the image here, so click here and then go to style. Below you can see background overlay. Click on choose image, choose your Android phone. This time I want to choose this phone, and then I'll click on insert. Perfect. Now we are done with that part as well. Okay, let's proceed. So we'll click here, this pencil, and then on top you can see content. Click on it, change your title and description, your title to laptops, so something like this. So laptops. On top we want to change it, give it a color, so click there, scroll down, you can see content, click on color, and then this time let's give it this color, something like this but darker. Perfect. Now below is your description color. Click on it and drag it to white. You can use your own colors, okay? Don't copy me. Use your own favorite colors. After that, click on advanced, and then you scroll down a bit and then click on background. So background. And then we can give it a background color. Okay, so give it a color black. Now our logo, so you click here, click on the logo, and we want to link it to laptops. So we'll go back to the laptops category, right click on it, copy link, go back and then paste it here. Okay, this link will take users to laptops categories only. Okay, then our color, so click on style and then click on color and make sure you choose your color. Okay, so click on it and then darker. Perfect. Now finally our image, so you click here. Good. Now go to style, overlay, and then choose your image. And because we are working with laptops category, just click on laptop or choose your own product, assign your products, and insert it. You see that? Is that not amazing? I love it. Perfect. So remember to update your page. I'm going to take some rest. Okay, so 5 minutes, I'll be back. But you know, it's in real time, so you see me in real time. Whew, welcome back. To you, it's like I didn't take break, but I took 10 minutes break. Also go and take break, okay, because you need to rest. You have done well for getting to this part of the video. Okay, so we continue. Now I have new energy. Now we scroll down a bit and we can see this background color. All right, so I'll take you back there, and then I'll click on this, go to style. Okay, good. Now you can see this color, change it to something like this, something like this. Okay, you can edit this text, get 25% off your first purchase. You can enter that, enter your own text, and after that you see this button, click on it. You can link it to your any products on discount or just your shop. Okay, so you can link it to your shop. How do you link it to your shop? I'll take you back to my website. Okay, so somewhere here, and then you see, let's reload the page. Okay, so let me click on, let me reload it. Perfect. Now we have really done a lot of work. After reloading, you see everything has changed. Okay, because that time we didn't work with the navigation area, but now because we work with it, you can see that we worked on it. You can see that the navigation is the cart page is also attractive. Okay, so now you copy your shop link, copy, and then go back to your Elementor page and then paste it here. So a user will get excited because of this get 20% off your first purchase. So they'll click on it and it will take them directly to your shop. That's where all your products are. Okay, so click on style. Now change the color to something like this. Good. Now scroll down a bit and we can close this thing. Okay, we can delete it. If you don't want to delete it, you can also customize it. So I have customized it, and this is the text I use. Use coupon code SOLO50 during checkout. So if you want to give your people coupon code, then they'll take this code, click here, go to your shop, and then use the code to purchase. So that's what I want to do. I'll take you there and I'll click here on top, and I want to give it a red color because I want that part of the website to stand out so that people will want to know what is happening. See that? Then you click on the text or this pencil. So I'll enter my text here. Okay, so let me just copy what is here because of time. So I'll copy like this, and then go back to the Elementor page builder, and on top here paste it there. Change the color to white. Perfect. Remember to update the changes. Good. Now let's go and view our website. Now let's click on home. And right now your website is looking similar to the demo website, the one we use for tutorials. Now the featured products, we don't have featured products for now. So right now let me just show you how to add featured products. So go back to your dashboard, click on all products, perfect. Now how do you make a product a featured product? Now let's say you see this first product. So let's say you want to make this product, this product, this product, and this product featured. In order to do that, you need to click on this star. You see it, click on it and wait. Perfect. So that product is now a featured product. So this product too, click on it and wait. Perfect. Click on it. Perfect. And finally, click on this one. I only want 4 products on the home page as featured products. Okay, so click on it, and this one too will be a featured product. Perfect. Now let's go back to the home page and reload it, and you will see that the products will start displaying here as featured. Okay, so because of the code, and it is the power of the code we pasted. Okay, now click on reload. Now recent products, scroll down, featured products, and these are the products. You can see this, and that. Let me take you back there so you can confirm. So you can see this, and this black one. You can see that. Perfect. So we are almost there. Okay, now if a user clicks here, it takes that person to iPhone's area. Okay, so I'll click on it, and it takes the person to only iPhones. Okay, so I assume these are also iPhones. Okay, I set them as iPhone. You can see category iPhone, 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 and iPhone. You see that? So this website is amazing. I love it. Okay, all right, so what next? Let's continue with the homepage, because the homepage is what is keeping us. So the next thing is, let me go back to, all right, so after that one, you can see we have on sale products. Okay, so I'll take you back there, and this one, click on it, and then remove it and put on sale, something like on sale products. And we want to delete this particular image. Okay, so right click, and then below you can see delete. Click on delete. Good. Now here you can see some code to your right. Click on the pencil. Perfect. Now remove everything here. Good. Now let's go and paste our code, the on sale code. So the on sale code, this is it. So you copy it, right click, copy, and then we'll paste it here, and it will start displaying on sale products. So it may take some time, and here we go. These are products on sale. So any product with this symbol, all those kind of products will be displayed here. It means they are currently on discount, so that's on sale. Guys, it's fantastic. Now remember to update the changes. Now if you are bored at this point in time and you feel like not watching the tutorial, please let me tell you this: people on Fiverr are charging up to $200 to build this kind of website. $200, $300, $500, even $1,000 to build a website like this. So this website, this amazing website, look at it. Is it not amazing? Okay, those who have no idea how to build this, after giving them this, they will give you the money. I'm telling you something serious. Okay, so just be serious with the tutorial. Okay, all right, so let's continue because we're almost getting to the end. Okay, so that's the on sale products, and the next thing is, let's see. So after on sale, oh, reviews. So we're done. Okay, so reviews, I'll come back to the down area and then click here. You see this thing? Click on it, click on style, scroll down, you can see overlay. Click on overlay, this image, delete it, perfect. Now perfect. So next one is this one. Okay, you can upload your logo here, you can let your logo be here, but I don't need it, so I'll right click on it and then click on delete. Good. Now enter customers review, and it is there. Now we can give it a color, or you can also leave it like that. Good. So finally we need to change the image here, the background image. So you click here, let's go to style. You see this image, let's change it. Okay, so you can put your own image there. Okay, but for tutorials I will just pick a random image, so I will pick this one and then insert it. Fantastic. So you can put a text like this: deal of the day, 25% off on all phones. Okay, so remove the vegetables and put phones there. Okay, so click on it, this pencil. So you click on the pencil, and then on all phones. So this is okay. You can manipulate with the text, and finally our button. So click on the button, and then you can link it to a product, any product of your choice, or your shop. Okay, you can link it to your shop. Let me see if I still have that in card. Oh, unfortunately. Okay, but you can link it to your shop. Good. Now what next? The color. So you click on style, so on style, and then finally click on the color, and then choose your preferred color. Good. Now update the changes, so click on update. Perfect. Now we are done. Now the next thing is brands. Please, you see this one, just click on it, delete it. Good. And remember to update the changes. So the final thing is our footer area, because if I take you to my demo website and you scroll down, you can see the footer area has a background color. So that's the final thing we want to now do here, and say bye bye to this video. So you have done well. I must congratulate you. Okay, so how to do that? Go to customize, and if you don't know how to find it, let me just take you back to your dashboard. Okay, so go to dashboard. Once you are there, go to appearance and then go to customize. This time we are looking for footer builder or anything related to footer. The first time we edited our header, and that was header builder. So wait for it to load, and it is loaded now. Footer builder, we have header builder and we have footer builder. So click on footer builder. Good. So click on footer builder and wait for it, and it is loading. Successful. Now you can click on this copyright thing here. So click on copyright. So this is where you enter your text. You can change your things here. Okay, but the thing I want to change is maybe my name. So the author name, I'll remove it and put my own name here. So that'll be nyezinahsolomon. Solomon. Solomon. Okay, and then update the changes. After that, you can see design. Click on design. You can change your text color. So I want to change it to what? White. Okay, so click there. And then choose white. After that, you can click on publish. So after you click on publish, you see this gear icon. Click on it. Now go to design. This time you can see background. Click on background, and then we'll choose our color and then click on publish. Perfect. Now let's go and review our website, and everything will work fine for you. So we'll go back to the website and then we can reload the page. Now when you scroll down to the bottom, you should see your background, your footer color, and you can see here we go. And finally, we need to integrate a payment system or implement a payment method on the website. If not, our customers cannot pay us. Okay, we can't collect their money. They'll add your products to cart, checkout, and finally, when they land on your checkout page, they will not see a payment method, a mode of payment. If I take you back to the demo website, you can see there are some methods of payment methods here: bank transfer, cash on delivery, and Rave. Okay, and with Rave they can pay with Visa or MasterCard. Okay, All right, and they will click on place now, and this money will come to you directly. So let's integrate our payment method, and after that we will say bye bye to the video. So go back to your dashboard. Okay, now hover on WooCommerce and then click on settings. Once you land there, please click on payment. Now this is where you can enable your payment methods. Okay, so if you know Google Pay, you can enable this, and Apple Pay, so you can enable this and configure that there. So you simply click on install it, and then configure it. But in this case, I want to enable bank transfer, so I'll click here to enable bank transfer. Enable cash on delivery, so I'll also click on this one to enable cash on delivery. Wait for them. And successfully they are enabled. Okay, now with your bank transfer, you can click on manage. Now this is where you enter your instruction. Okay, make your payment directly into our bank account. So you can enter your bank account details, you can enter your instruction here, and you can add your account information here. Okay, so you simply add your account name, account number, your bank name, your routing number, the IPAN number, your SWIFT, and your BIC number. Okay, you add them there, and they'll make payment, bank transfer to those bank accounts. After that, you save changes. Okay, now let's go back. Perfect. Now the second one is cash on delivery. Click on manage. Now cash on delivery means they will pay after they receive their product. Okay, so that is it. If you are to deliver the products personally, maybe you take the product and deliver it on your own, you get there, they'll give you the money, and then that is it. So this is cash on delivery. Very simple, and you save changes. Okay, so pay with cash upon delivery, and that's all. So you can tell them more about it, save changes. So these are two payment methods. Now there's yet another one I want you to enable, and that is Flutterwave. Okay, so let's go to plugins. So go to plugins, add new, but let's open it in a new tab. Let's go there. Perfect. Now on top here, type Flutterwave. Okay, so Flutterwave. I like Flutterwave. A moment, please. Now you see Flutterwave WooCommerce. Because we are working with WooCommerce, we need this one. Okay, so click on install. Please click on activate. Perfect. Now on top, go back to your WooCommerce payment area. Okay, that's WooCommerce settings, and you click on payment. Perfect. Now scroll, and you can see there's an additional payment option here called Reef, and this is called that is Flutterwave. Okay, so click here. You're right to enable it. So click on it. Perfect. Now click on Finish Setup. Now after the page loads, please, you see enable disable, you make sure it is enabled like this, and then you see this mode, click on live mode, and then scroll down, and there's an area, this area, Flutterwave test public, Flutterwave test secret. Forget about this field and this field, but you see this Flutter live and live public and live secret. Make sure you paste your Flutterwave live keys here. Okay, your live keys, and after that you save changes. This way Flutterwave will be enabled on your website. Okay, now if you are not sure of something, that's why the comments section is there for you. Leave your comments there for me. I'll answer your questions, and if I'm not able to answer your questions, I may be able to redirect you to the rightful resource. Okay, that will help you understand the concept. Okay, so you can simply go to YouTube and then search how to. So let me help you with that. So maybe how to integrate. Okay, so integrate Paystack to WooCommerce. Okay, so you can add Paystack. After clicking here, videos will come. You watch those videos, it will show you step by step on how to integrate Paystack to your WooCommerce. Okay, so something like this. All right, so how to integrate Flutterwave to WooCommerce website. Okay, and I even have a video showing you how to do that. Okay, so I don't want this video to be super long. There are a lot of videos here that will show you how to integrate the gateway to your WooCommerce website. The same way you can remove this Flutterwave and put PayPal. Okay, so PayPal to what? WooCommerce website, and you see a lot of videos showing you how to do that. Okay, so that is it, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for sticking around. You have successfully completed a full course on how to build a shopping or an e-commerce website. Now, if you are a freelancer, I have something good news for you. This website, hoodly.com, is currently looking for new freelancers. Okay, fortunately, I've made my first sale on Hoodly. Go right now, create an account, and then publish your services. Okay, you can publish unlimited services on Hoodly. All right, and sit back, relax, and hope for the best. Thank you once again for sticking around. If you're not subscribed, remember that subscribe button there. Join the community, that way you'll be seeing my face all the time. All right, so yeah, hoping to see you in the next one. Bye bye.